GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Get up to 10% instant cashback offer on Vivo V30e. Pre-book now.
Would Sargun drink chai or coffee in the morning?
That's easy. When she said that Noyan is not going to be taking an interview without me, I said I'm literally coming in 5. I don't know
He
if
had
she
just
told you.
left the house.
I just left the house.
Would Ravi go to a house party or go clubbing?
Clubbing.
No, Sargun.
You just went clubbing.
They'd understand it. If you've come and spoken to me about a project and you think that I have asked you for a steep price, just take it for granted I'm not interested in the project.
I think
Please answer it correctly.
I think neither यार मतलब वो क्या handwritten note तो नहीं चाहिए तुम्हें
तो फिर
Sargun?
बोल दो ना गिफ्ट चाहिए. Like, ऐसे छुट्टी नहीं देता. अगर कोई बहुत बड़ी गलती करे तो करता है. BC. Like literally, it's our wedding going on. We're supposed to have a couple dance, and Ravi instead of dancing with me will go. I don't know what.
इतना सुंदर भांगड़ा करते हुए
I
लगती
do it
है.
even if you play English rap.
She can do भांगड़ा on London में. हाँ, London her card got stolen and this is the perfectionist who's mindful about everything that is in her pocket.
Please not.
It's
Call
amazing.
me with me.
Amazing, man.
The last lie he told you, you think?
Last lie he told me.
He said, she said. It's divided into 2 parts. First part क्या होगा? सिर्फ सवाल है एक दूसरे के बारे में. ठीक है कि I'll ask Ravi about you and you about Ravi and you have to just say whether he's saying it right or he's wrong. Okay, similar. So Ravi, one word that she uses the most. एक शब्द.
अभी बताता हूँ मैं. Amazing. अभी बड़ा recent she has a tendency of picking up words और एक word अभी इसने pick up किया है जो मुझे इतना annoy करता है in conversations ना. She keeps calling me sir and now वो sir पता है कैसे? अरे sir वो patronizing तरीका नहीं होता है बात करने का. And I keep, I can take the entire conversation where she may be disagreeing with me. The moment she goes, "Arey sir," मैंने कहा sir, don't do that. I just,
Sir?
honest.
I don't know why I've got it.
She's got this. ये जो explain करते वक्त नहीं आप किसी को कहते, अरे sir, बात मानिए आप. वो जो एक तरीका, very annoying man.
Oh God, you call him. I also get.
ये अभी ये 15-20 दिन पुरानी बात है. अभी बहुत पुराना नहीं.
But बेचारी sitting on the trailers, on the dubbing and everything, तो सबके साथ सर करके बात करते आदत हो गई.
मुझे भी अब सर बुला.
Ravi's favorite गाली, जो गाली देता है.
गाली? कभी गाली नहीं देता.
Not even a word.
एक आधी कभी मतलब ऐसी कोई भारी भरकम गाली नहीं.
भारी भरकम गाली तो even I know, like you will not give, but like a.
Like ऐसे छोटे नहीं देता. अगर कोई बहुत बड़ी गलती करे तो करता है. BC. पर अगर कोई बहुत बड़ी गाली हो, मतलब कोई बहुत बड़ा ऐसे किसी ने कुछ कर दिया हो.
Okay, what is your go-to dance move? Both. आपको बताना है उसका. सरून का सरून को बताना
I
है.
definitely know yours.
Which is?
Go on,
Which is?
tell mine. Ravi. On like literally, it's our wedding going on. We're supposed to have a couple dance, and Ravi instead of dancing with me will go. I don't know what he'll do. हम तेरे बिन कब रह नहीं सकते. Rav, relax.
God, social media was not big. नहीं तो वो जो viral memes बनते हैं
But
ना.
ये
You know
videos है ना?
वो बहुत अजीब अजीब वीडियोस नहीं आते जिसमें शादी में एक वो दूल्हा खड़े होके साइड पे नाच रहा है और दुल्हन ऐसे बैठी है. We make that meme.
But I want to see these videos. You
Yeah,
better.
मैं
You
भेजता
better.
हूँ,
video I will
check it
send.
out.
And also, I want to watch it with you guys.
All our friends know this. This is a joke
But
because
used to
they've
be.
seen it.
वो कब की पुरानी बात
Okay,
हो
go
गई
on to my.
For her, though, it's the form that suits her also the best. Everybody loves her doing it. Bhangra. She just goes, yeah. इतना सुंदर भांगड़ा करते हुए
I
लगती
do it
है.
even if you play English rap.
She can do bhangra on. And
The
the other day
Punjabi
she was,
in you.
she was
Yeah.
doing it on a word. On one word, you were doing it.
Yeah. Forgot what.
Okay. The last time she took money from you.
I have no.
I've been using your card. My cards are lost.
Yeah. How did you lose the cards again?
They got stolen in London.
London में, हाँ, London her card got stolen and this is the perfectionist who's mindful about everything that is in her pocket.
Trying to be smart.
It's amazing,
Corny with-
amazing. मैं तो कभी भूल. And I remember the day that her phone got lost. ना, somebody just London में बहुत हो रहा है आजकल ये. Don't you
You're
remember
trying
that?
to be corny with me now.
He's trying to be the सासू mother ताना.
Yeah.
ताना. एकदम वो बोलते ना चद्दर में लपेट
Yeah.
के. Okay.
I liked it.
The last lie he told you, you think?
Last lie he told me. Sargun, I'll be there in 5 minutes.
Yeah, that.
I was gone.
Today.
I could.
मैं 5 मिनट में आ रहा हूँ बस.
He always says it.
When she said that Noyan is not going to be taking an interview without me, I said I'm literally coming in 5. I don't know
He
if
had
she
just
told you.
left the house.
I just left the house.
But he came fast then, yeah.
Yeah, see?
उसके बाद तो जल्दी
No,
आया.
I can't take the credit for it. There was no traffic.
Okay. One habit that she would like to change in you, according to you.
Like to change in me. क्या तुम ही बताओ ना मेरे को. According to me.
Yeah.
According to me. No, I don't know, yeah.
Oh, that perfect you are. You don't know what I would like to change
What
in you.
am I going to do, yeah? I don't know. तुम ही बता दो.
What about you getting angry before you knowing the whole thing?
Yeah. But I
Oh.
do kind of know the whole thing.
Oh. Yeah.
But excuse me, he gets angry.
No, the same reason that I told you. That it's instinctive anger more than instinctive.
Yeah, but he gets angry.
Yeah.
It is very.
But not anymore, actually. I think I have
Can I call Shaman right now?
it fairly under control now.
Excuse me? That's not true.
Okay, one thing he would like to change about you.
I told you, gossiping in public.
That.
Oh, it's
But
okay.
it's okay, yaar. I've also made my peace with it.
Yeah.
मैं कहा, तेरे को जो
Listen,
बात करनी है
your
कर.
gang has Sudeepan, it has her, it has Karan, it has Ritwik.
ये लोग नहीं करते.
लोग
बस
नहीं करते.
सुडी
What?
and Sargun.
He's been dragged into this conversation quite a lot of times
And
now.
thankfully Charu doesn't live in Bombay. नहीं तो आप तीन
Yeah,
अगर बैठ जाओ एक
yeah.
टेबल के ऊपर.
My sister-in-law, she knows everything about anybody. If I call her up right now and say I'm sitting
She
in
has
an
more
interview with
information about the
Nandi,
industry than we
she'll
do
be
about
like,
the industry.
oh, acha, haan di, but this is what he'll do, this is what he'll ask. I call her and say, यार कुछ actor बताना है इस role के लिए. Okay, दी wait. I'll tell you, ये वाले show में ये आया था. I'm like, Charu, you know more than me.
And her
She knows
instinct on
everybody.
content. Fantastic.
Yeah.
Fantastic instinct on content she has.
Okay, so we'll give you situations now. It's called Would He Rather, Would You Rather. So basically,
Okay.
you have to tell me whether Ravi would travel without a plan or make an itinerary.
He'd make an itinerary.
100%.
Okay. Would Sargun drink chai or coffee in the morning?
That's easy. Coffee. She hates chai. चाय पी के आप इसके बगल में भी नहीं बैठ सकते. चाय वाला कप आप इसके सामने नहीं रख सकते. She's so like I'm repulsed by कड़ी पत्ता. Repulsed by it. She doesn't like.
Yeah.
it.
You don't like people who drink chai.
She's
Like
got
drinking
some
chai
कुछ
right next to you.
Psychological कुछ
They
होगा.
can't even
पता
touch you.
नहीं. उसको है कुछ है. पता
I'm a
नहीं क्या.
coffee lover. That's why
Yeah.
these interviews happen. So it's fine. Okay. Would Ravi go to a house party or go clubbing?
Clubbing.
No, Sargun.
You just went clubbing 2
I
days
went
back.
clubbing and I wanted to get out of there in 5 minutes. It's house party all the way. I cannot tolerate clubs. I can't tolerate them. I go there and I mean.
But he does go there. I don't even go there.
हाँ, she doesn't even go there. मैं भी कभी साल में एक बार कभी चला गया तो चला गया, but I can't stay there for too long. I can't stay at a place where you can't talk to people. Your nerves
Yeah.
are stretching out of your
Yeah.
brain. Trying
It's
to.
annoying.
Very
It's
annoying.
annoying.
Very.
Would she rather sleep late or get up early?
It depends on the day.
Depends on the working hour.
But is she nocturnal or like
We're
Not-
both nocturnal in that sense. Nocturnal in the sense that nocturnal not going out and
yeah, but
painting the
and
town red kind of
same at
nocturnal.
home and staying up and
At
working. or
home,
whatever.
staying up, maybe watching some good content together.
I
that
think
kind
it's
of
days.
nocturnal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Would he order Indian or Chinese food?
Indian.
Any day.
Okay. Stay quiet. Would Sargun stay quiet or stage a fight when somebody says something terrible about you?
I don't think she would fight, and I don't think she should fight because कहते हैं ना कि बहते कीचड़ में पत्थर मारो तो चेहरे पे छींटे आते हैं. तो मुझे नहीं चाहिए कि वो हम करें. We'll have to choose our fights with simple सी बात है वो.
But you won't fight?
No, it's better she does not.
I just let them be.
हाँ, वो तो let nature take its own course. ना.
What?
सब हर किसी से
I'm not
लड़ते
going
भिड़ते
to
थोड़ी
let
पड़ेंगे.
them define who he is. We
Lovely.
just cut off with him.
Would he rather have more money or have more time? ये इस पे होना चाहिए था मुझे लग रहा है. I know what the answer would be.
पता नहीं यार
Him.
Nobody,
मुझे
हाँ.
तो
I think it's not about work. It's not about time or money for him. It's about quality work for him. It's not about either of the two. Like money won't matter if the work is something that he really loves. Time won't matter if it is what he really loves. Same thing for his loved ones. Doesn't matter what money, doesn't matter what time he has to give me. He'll give me all the time in the world
Yeah.
because he loves me, and he will give me anything and everything that he could possibly afford or could possibly get onto for me. So I don't think that's a thing.
It's a lovely thing.
I can in fact verbalize it also, which I think if anybody does see this interview and they would they'd understand it. If you've come and spoken to me about a project and you think that I have asked you for a steep price, just take it for granted I'm not interested in the project. So absolutely
Lovely.
अभी हाल ही में एक प्रोजेक्ट मेरे पास में आया था. मैंने अपनी मैनेजमेंट को बोला इनसे सिर्फ 101 रुपए लो बस, मुझे और कुछ नहीं चाहिए इस प्रोजेक्ट में.
इतनी अच्छी थी वो.
बस मुझे सिर्फ 101 रुपए चाहिए इसके लिए और कुछ चाहिए ही नहीं. I don't care about it. I'll pay for my whole own stuff. I'll get my own vanities if required. There's no vanity. I'll sit under a tree and get my makeup done. Just take 101 rupees और बस उतना ही चाहिए मुझे और कुछ नहीं चाहिए.
But you know, it's so beautiful to hear that because everybody is being hit by the bug of stardom, and the pangs of stardom can
Let them.
be bad and terrible because I've seen people get that, right? But it's beautiful to hear that because, and it's the normal thing, right? I feel that everything that's normal, because other people are not doing that, हम उसको ना इतने मतलब it comes across as like a huge surprise and it becomes like a thing. But everybody should be doing this.
Yeah.
Technically, everybody should be doing this. But kudos to you that you do it. Finally, would she rather get a big gift from you, which is not a fridge or
Big in
washing-
terms of not in
big
terms of
gift,
size, yeah.
or a handwritten note?
I think यार नहीं, I think
Answer it correctly.
I think neither यार. मतलब क्या handwritten note तो नहीं चाहिए
तो
तुम्हें.
फिर बोल दो ना गिफ्ट चाहिए. What do you do with handwritten? Please give me a big gift. I don't know to handle.
Okay.
But the gift that you will not return.
Oh no, I can return.
And you know what? If she does not like the gift, like that jacket that I bought her, she'll also wear it in a way that it makes it abundantly conspicuous to me that she hates it. मैंने कहा ये सर को इतना बड़ा सामने बक्सा बक्सा पड़ा हुआ है और I've got this from you. Oh, this. Then she wears it and stands like that in front of me. So I mean, she's making sure that
You know.
I know that she can very well carry it. She decides not to.
Excuse me. Whenever I get him gifts, I'm like, Ravi, here are your gifts. All are returnable and changeable. Please go ahead.
तो वो भी तो changeable ही था.
तो वही तो
हाँ.
फिर तब मतलब Well, Rachel like that from Friends.
Hi, this is Ravi.
Hi, this is Sargul Mehta.
You're watching us on Galata India.
GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Get up to 10% instant cashback offer on Vivo V30e. Pre-book now.